How to buy a land NFT in Metaverse. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can buy your own land NFT in Metaverse. So let's get started. You might have heard about Metaverse and people buying land in the Metaverse, and you might be wondering that how this is possible and how you can get started with it and how you can buy your own land in Metaverse. And today this tutorial is all about that. I will give you a complete beginner's tutorial if you are completely new to this, how to find a platform, how to get a crypto wallet, and then how to find your land NFTs to buy in the metaverse. Let's start with the process. It's super easy and super fun. The first thing that you need is to find the right platform, to find the metaverse in which you want to buy a land in. So we have different metaverses available that actually offer land NFTs and where we can simply claim our own land. One of the most famous metaverse is sandbox.com. What you have to do is you will simply type in sandbox.game and you will land on this website right here. This is the official website for Sandbox. Now, Sandbox has a lot of different features, such as we can play games in the metaverse. We can simply buy our own land in a Sandbox as well. So, to buy a land in Sandbox, what you have to do is you can simply go to the marketplace, and in marketplace you will actually find that they have NFTs, like simple NFTs such as different assets, and then they also have NFT lands that you can buy. The lands available on Sandbox can be bought through the website, and the easiest way to buy lands on Sandbox is through an NFT marketplace known as OpenSea. So what you need to do is simply go to OpenSea.io. OpenSea.io is world's first and largest NFT marketplace, and on OpenSea we can actually go ahead and find our Sandbox collection. There you go. You can see they have two collections, Sandbox Assets, where you can simply go ahead and find different characters and different assets. And then we have Sandbox Lands. So simply open up this collection right here. So this is the collection right here on OpenSeas, where I can simply go ahead and buy a land in the form of NFT. The pricing is given right here, and I can simply open it up and buy it. Now, as a complete beginner, you might be confused that how to actually get started with OpenSeas and how you will simply buy the land NFT. Well, to buy and sell NFTs, we require a crypto wallet. So to get started with OpenSea, you need to connect your wallet that you have created. How to get a wallet? Let me actually show you. You can simply go ahead and get your own MetaMask. MetaMask is one of the most popular crypto wallets that you can get. It is available as a Google extension. How to get a MetaMask? What you have to do is simply type in MetaMask on your Google. You will find the first link, metamask.io. Open it up. Now here you can simply go ahead and download your crypto wallet. You simply sign up with your email address and then you set up a reasonable password. Then it is automatically added to your extensions right here. So now you have a MetaMask. Simply connect your MetaMask to your OpenSea marketplace. You can see right here now my MetaMask has been connected to my OpenSea, and on OpenSea I have opened up the collection from where I want to buy the NFT. This is actually a land NFT that I want to buy. You can see right here these small boxes are actually a land. This is the land location right here on Sandbox. We have our own map on Sandbox, the map of the metaverse. Right here you will find the map. Simply click on the map and it will open up the metaverse map for you, where you can simply check out your location of the land and you will be able to find that what kind of lands are actually on sale. You can see right here that this is the map for the metaverse. In here you will find the orange tiles are actually for sale, yellow is premium, and the whites are actually available on OpenSea. You can see right here we also have this option right here, find land on OpenSea. Then we have the size for you to filter your search. You can simply go ahead and filter your search by size, coordinates, and wallet as well. Now you will also find different lands right here. You can see that there are a lot of different brands and names that have actually bought lands in the metaverse. You can see, and these small tiles are the lands that you can buy as well. Each land has its own price and it depends on the location and the size of the land. For example, the land right here is pretty expensive because you can see right here we have all of the big names in this market, and this place will be very expensive. Just like in real life, some places are expensive due to the location and what kind of neighborhood they have. So you can see right here, in here there are all of the famous brands and everything, so the land here will be pretty expensive. But if we move on to the land, there aren't many buyers right now, so we will be able to find a little cheaper land. Like for example, right here. You can see right here, the lands have been bought by different famous collections and different famous brands, such as The Walking Dead, CryptoPunks, then we have Snoop Dogg. These are the famous, people that have bought land in the metaverse. Now, let's say that you have found land. You can see right here these white dots. They are actually available on OpenSeas. And let's say that I want to buy a land right here, one of these white boxes. So what I need to do is simply find land on OpenSea. I can go to OpenSea from here, or we have actually opened up OpenSea before. So this is the sandbox collection. Right here you can see the floor price is 1.7 Ethereum. Of course, the land will be expensive in the metaverse. You can filter your search from low to high and it depends on your budget. You can also filter the search by listed, recently created, sold, highest last sale, most viewed, and most favorite as well. I'm gonna go ahead and filter my search by low to high, and let's see what is the cheapest land that you can buy in the metaverse. You can see right here we can buy a land for 1.9 Ethereum or 1.8 Ethereum. Right now, 1 Ethereum is round about $3,000 at the time of making this video. And you can buy a land in the metaverse for just $3,000. This is actually pretty good. But when it comes to the land and the expensive lands, as we talked, it depends on the location and the size. The land can be actually very expensive as well. For example, you can actually buy a land in the metaverse for 10,000 Ethereum. This is actually billions of dollars right here because this is 9,999 Ethereum and 1 Ethereum is $3,000. So you can see right here, when it comes to expensive lands, then it is going to be very expensive. And you can see right here, the location of the land is right here. It's in the expensive area with famous names. So that is why it is really expensive. But you can actually find a good land at good location for maybe 100 Ethereum or from 90 to 150 Ethereum. When we look at the bigger picture, if you are buying a land for maybe $10,000 or $20,000, then you will be actually making millions in returns because we know metaverse is the future. Let's say that I found a land. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down for a little cheaper. You can simply filter your search from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to, from minimum, it should be 5 and the maximum it should be 20. So I have searched for a land between 5 to 20 Ethereum. You can see right here, this one is for 20 Ethereum. This one is 20 Ethereum. I can also search by USD. So let's go ahead and actually go for, maybe I have, my minimum budget is $5,000 and my maximum budget is $10,000. You can see right here, we have different NFTs and this budget is actually roundabout from 3 to 4 Ethereum. Now, what I need to do is simply go ahead and select the land. Let's say that I want to buy the land right here. This is the land location, -20 by -185. And this is the price, which is $9,000. Now, all I have to do is simply click on buy now. And after that, the wallet we created, the MetaMask, you simply have to add funds in your MetaMask with your credit card. You can simply add, because this land is around about $10,000, you will simply add $10,000 to your MetaMask. And after that, once you click on buy now, it will simply complete a checkout for you. You can see right here, this is going to be $9,953. Simply click on I agree to terms of services. And then you can simply click on complete checkout, and then you will be able to buy this land, and this land will belong to you on your blockchain, which is Ethereum. You can simply go ahead and access it on Sandbox. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to buy land NFTs in the metaverse. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.